VWAP isn't just another line or another indicator. It's a real-time battleground. Now, most traders struggle with entry timing. Today, I'm gonna show you how VWAP can be your decision filter, confirming strength, guiding risk, and improving your execution. So what really VWAP really tells you is that, when the bulls and when the bears are in charge, when the buyers are in charge, when the sellers are in charge. So when price holds above VWAP, it means the bulls, the buyers are in charge. They're holding it above VWAP, lifting the stock higher. So that's a key signal before a big breakout. I want to jump to XAIR here, and we'll kind of go back earlier in the day because this thing is just respected VWAP like an absolute champ, okay? So you can kind of see that initial onrush out of the gate, big gap up, and then pulls back. And then that gold line on my chart is VWAP. I have it gold for a reason, but you'll notice that all through pre-market, from basically about 8:15 to about 9 a.m., just really consolidated at VWAP, just held undecided, but was above. So that told me that this was going to be one of the #1 stocks of the day if it continued to follow through, because even though that big spike and pullback, it settled right there at VWAP and held above. Now you'll notice it kind of consolidates through the day. We had a big spike into the open and then pull back and bounce off of VWAP. Now, another thing I love to do is consolidate and combine the Oracle signals with VWAP as a guide to manage my risk. So you'll notice after the market opened, the Oracle algorithm gave a $1.70 entry signal. Now, if we jump back to the chart, you'll see that at that point when that signal dropped, VWAP was about $1.40. So now I can use that entry signal as my entry, obviously, and then VWAP as my guide on when to either take a stop or take profits. Now, notice it hit the entry signal of 170 right about 9:45 a.m., perfect time of day. And at that point, VWAP had trended up. VWAP's following the price of the stock. So that at 143. So now we have an entry right around the high of the day to confirm that the bulls are in charge, plus the Oracle signal. And then we have a lower level to set our risk off of. And you'll see once it hit 170, never went below VWAP, never even touched it, and then blasted off right into the next major resistance level at $2.45. Now, I know that's a major resistance level because it's bright green. Watch that if it flips while I'm live here. We're going 10 minutes into the close, but right now that's the major resistance level. So 170 to the 240s, great trade. Now, let's say you didn't take it off. Would have been a smart trade, great trade, done for the day, go do what you want. But as this stock pulls back, even though VWAP is trending up, it never touches it all through the day. And then even with that late day sell-off, most stocks tend to sell off late day. Notice, never violated VWAP, even right there at 2:19 p.m. on that pretty hard pullback. Pretty hard reject on the major resistance level. So if you're using that 170 entry and using VWAP as your stop or your take profit level, you would have continued to stay in the stock as it trends up. It then bounces off, rejects at the major resistance level, pulls back, but yet again does not violate VWAP. And as of right now, if this can break that 245 level, we've got a great odds of it breaking that new high a day of $2.66. So notice how we're combining that VWAP hold, high day breakup setups to confirm whether or not this move is fully done. Now, to me, if you took that 170 entry and you were aggressive, using VWAP as your guide, you can continue to say, hey, even though this stock keeps pulling back, the bulls are still in charge. Now, the other great thing about VWAP is I love to use it across multiple time frames to get confirmation. Now, the 3 time frames that I highly recommend using are the 2-day 5-minute. That's what I've been showing for the extent of this video. But then it also works great on the 2-month 15-minute period because that's our zoom out. Notice how this chart looks fundamentally different on the 2-month, 15-minute chart. It looks really bullish to me. You know, that's the nice thing about zooming out a little bit, because when you zoom in a little too much, you kind of miss the bigger picture. And now we've really got a flag forming on this. Let me show you. Again, that major resistance level. But then if we drop that lower trend line, you can see that this stock, each time it pulls back right to that trend, heading back towards that major resistance level, looking for that bull flag afternoon breakout. So this is where we use VWAP as your litmus test. Is this stock strong? Is it weak? I mean, those are terms you'll hear me use a lot. You hear a lot of traders use. They'll say stock looks weak. What's that mean? 99 times out of 100, you look at the chart, probably below VWAP. That's why we're saying it's weak. Vice versa, might say, hey, the stock is building, looks strong. It's probably because that stock has been trending above VWAP all day long, like XAIR. Now, I also highly recommend using the 1-year, 1-day chart. Now, you won't see VWAP represented on there because VWAP is an intraday indicator, so it only works on intraday charts. But use all 3 of these time frames, and you can see where that major resistance level comes in again, because that's where this stock has really struggled all last fall before it fell apart. So if it can break that major resistance level, continue to build in above VWAP into after hours, this is setting up for a great after hours runner and a day 2 continuation play like we talked a lot about with EVTV in the previous videos. Now, that being said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so that you can check out all of these videos. And on top of that, hit another link below for our free watch list. A lot of these multi-day plays become the best trades. And I know a lot of you can't run scans every day. You can't be in the markets every day. But if you got that watch list 100% free, you'll know about these stocks before the move.